Welcome back to our Ramya's Creations. Today we will see how to improve your communication skills. Communication skills is one of the most important skills you are required for a successful life. The most important thing in communication. Effective communication skills are a critical element in your career and personal lives. We all must use a variety of communication techniques to both understand and be understood. What is a communication? Communication is the process of sending and receiving information among people. See this image. Why communication is important? Inspires confidence, builds respect in business and social life, helps make friends, develops a distinct personality, reveals your ability to others. Effective communication skills are fundamental to success in many aspects of life. Many jobs require strong communication skills and socially people with improved communication skills usually enjoy better interpersonal relationship with friends and family. Effective communication is a key interpersonal skill, and by learning how we can improve your communication has many benefits. Therefore, there is need to improve communication skills. 7 C's of effective communication: completeness, consistency, consideration, clarity, concertness, courtesy, correctness. Need to improve communication as 70% of our communication efforts are misunderstood, misinterpreted, rejected, distorted, or not heard. Listening. Listening is not the same as hearing. Learn to listen not only to the words being spoken but how they are being spoken and in non-verbal messages. Send with them. Use the technique of clarification and reflection to confirm what the other has said and avoid any confusion. Try not to think about what to say next. This listening. Instead clear your mind and focus on the message being received. Finally, the best thing you can do to improve your communication skills is to learn to really listen, to pay attention and let the other person talk without interrupting. It's hard work, we know. But a good conversation is a bunch of words elegantly connected with listening. Ways to improve skill. Paraphrase, summarize, question. Paraphrase. Restate what was said in your own words. Summarize. Pull together the main points of a speaker. Question. Challenge speaker to think further, clarifying both your and their understanding. Speaking speed. Nobody will hold it against you if you speak more slowly and clearly. Great speakers do the same to get their message across. Selecting your words carefully may also be seen as a sign of respect towards the audience. Shows that you want to give them the best possible answer. Time to think. Give yourself time to think. You may have been worried that the people you are talking to are impatient and would like you to say what you want as quickly as possible. First of all, it may not be true. People often prefer a well thought out answer to a rushed one. So just relax and before answering, take time to think. Think before you speak. T is it true, H is it helpful, I is it inspiring, N is it necessary, K is it kind. Improving communication, don't use cliches, brevity, sincerity, don't praise yours, avoid arguments, be tactful, silence, enunciation. Ways to gain effective conversation. Good use of English, avoid errors, improve vocabulary, avoid bold phrases, use humor, add interesting story, improve clarity of voice, practice. Conclusion. Communication is a two-way process. In order to have good communication, listen to understand, understand before speaking, speak to be understood, seek understanding before proceeding, repeat. Thanks for watching.